Severe thunderstorm warning. Yes!
YEE-HAW! The service in Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Knox County, East Central Anderson County, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Knoxville, moving north at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Intact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Knoxville, Clinton, Alcoa, Halls, Bellonaville, Lake Forest, Mascot, Bearden, Powell, and House Mountain State Park. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 in Tennessee between mile markers 379 and 401. Interstate 75 in Tennessee between mile markers 108 and 118. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This is NOAA Weather Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service, simulcasting from both shelters in Knoxville on WXK 46 and WNG 732 located